Hello everyone. So today you might be confused why I'm not in school. Today is March break. I have 1 week to go until I go to school. I want to make the most of it and discover some new things. I decided I would make dough flowers and you can actually cook it and actually eat it after that. We're going to eat it, I promise, not fake. Please use a cooking permission if someone knows how to make dough. So this is what you need to do. You want to do this. I don't know what it's called, but you gotta do it. And then after that, you need this kind of ruler thingy and roll it into something that is flat. I'm not sure if you guys have permission for knives yet, but I do. Yeah. Wah. Now let's get cutting. You don't need these anymore. Don't cut directly on everything. You gotta start right here, where it's not all the way through. Cut it, and then it should be like the pants you wear. Okay, the first step is to roll them like this, like kind of an X shape. And you do the same thing with the side you already rolled for like 20,000 times. Then you gotta roll it. Rolly, 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 rolly. After that, squish the bottom to make it look better. And boom, you got yourself a rose. Put it there. I'm going to make another one. They'll never notice me stealing some dough. Okay, this should be good. Too sticky. Nah, I don't mind. It's so sticky. If you need help, go ask for permission. Yeah! Okay. You just do the same thing all over and over again if you want. Oh no, it's not equal, but okay, I'll take it. Don't want to do it too hard, or you can't make it like going circles and circles because it's so sticky. This one is the best one I've ever made yet. So now we gotta wait for 20 or more minutes for this steam to get ready. This is going to be super boring. You might have to skip this part if you get bored of it. Which one am I going to eat? Eat this one. Ah, hot. Very good. So good. Strawberry taste. Good. Wow, I can't believe it. It's kind of hard to bite because it's so hot. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. So good.